Sandbox. Please like and subscribe. And let's get started. So yeah, we're gonna make some battles today again. So yeah, let's play. So first of all, we're doing robot versus melon. Let's put it in slow motion. Or remember he can fly. And perfect. Punch him, hit him, punch him in the face. He kicks, he kicks him. He butt hits him. Okay, melon, melon won. So yeah. Next, we're doing pumpkin versus corn. Now let's go. Three, two, one, go! 20 drop kick and a punch kick. He kicks him. He punched him. Wait, who died? They both died. Okay, nobody won. Next is uh tomato head versus dragon fruit. This is the last part that tomato head is in the series. So yeah. So three, two, one, go. Okay, dragon fruit won. Next is melon versus corn. So yeah, let's give them weapons. First, knives. Okay, don't mind about the backrooms. Those, those are my parents. Okay, three, two, one, go. Yeah, stabs him in the face. He stabs him too in the wait. He stabs him too in the face. Wait, he miss. He miss. He stabs him in the knee. What? Okay, who died? Nobody yet. Oh no, Cornish cook. He lost his weapon. Oh no, who died? Everyone. Yeah. Next is apple versus cactus. So next is gun versus gun. Wait, what the? Wait, let me remove this. Okay, now let's do revolver versus revolver. Two revolvers actually. Yeah, so three, two, one, go. Boom. Oh no, he died. Yeah. So that's all for today.